Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wondered about the fees involved when you trade stocks? That's brokerage, the small charge your broker takes for helping you buy and sell. Knowing these costs is really important, especially when you're aiming for profitable trades with platforms like Zerodha. Zerodha, in particular, has a super competitive low brokerage model, which is why so many people choose them. One of Zerodha's biggest benefits is completely free brokerage for equity delivery trades. That means if you buy shares today and decide to hold onto them for more than a day, perhaps even for years, you pay absolutely no brokerage fee. This makes Zerodha incredibly attractive for anyone looking to invest in the long term, saving you quite a bit on costs. Now, for more active trading like equity intraday, Zerodha charges a flat fee of 20 rupees or 0.03% of the turnover, whichever amount is less. If you're into futures and options, it's a simple flat 20 rupees per executed order. This rate applies uniformly, whether you're trading just a few units or a very large quantity, keeping your costs predictable. It's important to remember that brokerage isn't the only cost involved. You'll also see charges like securities transaction tax, known as SDT, plus various transaction fees. There are also smaller fees, such as SEBI turnover charges and stamp duty. And finally, don't forget the Goods and Services Tax, or GST, which gets applied to your brokerage and the transaction charges. These add up, so it's good to be aware. To get a clear picture of your total costs before you even trade, Zerodha offers a fantastic online brokerage calculator. You simply enter your trade details, like the buy price, the sell price, and the quantity of shares. This handy tool will then show you an estimate of all the charges involved, helping you plan your trades effectively and avoid any unexpected surprises later on.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.